Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video, and today I'm be doing a personal comparison and opinion wise of the LG Stylo 4 versus the LG Stylo 4 Plus. Is it worth the upgrade? Is it worth the price jump? And what are my personal opinions on it? Like I said, this is gonna be personal opinions from someone that used both phones. It's not, oh, let's put two phones versus each other. No, this is from an honest consumer, uh, basically opinion and thoughts on it. So LG doesn't pay me to make these thoughts. I actually bought these phones with my own money, guys. So I can tell you how it feels when you spend your own money to buy these phones and review them, and if it was a disappointment or was it the best thing ever. So let's get off the gate first. So as you know, the LG Stylo 4 is $200. Yes, guys, it's $200 at Walmart. They always have these crazy prices where right now it's $129.99, but I have heard they're out of stock and they're pretty hard to get. So if you go through Boost Mobile, it's $200, guys. $200 for LG Stylo 4 is definitely not worth it in my honest opinion to you. It's not worth it. The phone lags quite a bit. It only has 2 gigs of RAM. It does have a 6.2-inch HD display at 1080, so that's pretty cool. The phone doesn't have fast charging at all. No NFC at all. Like I said, the phone only has 2 gigs of RAM and it has a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. It's a MediaTek. The thing I'm telling you, it's sluggish. And a lot of people are probably gonna be like, "Oh, but the phone, blah blah, is the best thing." Guys, the people that said all that is when they were going through Metro and getting the phone free. I'm talking about the Boost Mobile version, guys. So not the Metro PCS where you can get it for $30 or free if you port it in. This is the Boost Mobile version. I know Jay Wills, I believe Jay Williams. He did do a video and he got a lot of hate on it. But it's this honest opinion. Like I said, guys, we're not getting these phones. LG did not send me the LG Stylo 4, Stylo 4 Plus to review and have. No, I actually bought these phones with my own money. So I'm telling you right now, this phone sucks. For $200, it's a no. For $130 or $129.99, I would say yeah, pick it up. Or if you can get it on special, it's probably worth a buy. Now, going from the LG Stylo 4 to the LG Stylo 4 Plus, is there much an upgrade? Not really. And I'll tell you why. So the phone costs $280, guys. Yeah, $200, almost $300 for the LG Stylo 4 Plus. In my honest opinion, the phone did seem to get a little warm in the back. Like I said, if you checked out my unboxing video, which I will have in the link in the description below, it was getting pretty hot in the back, and my first Stylo didn't do it. Now, the Stylo 4 Plus, so what's the upgrades that it got, and is it worth it? So, basically, it got 3 gigs of RAM compared to 2 gigs of RAM. So, the first Stylo 4 had 2 gigs. The Stylo 4 Plus bumped it up to 3 gigs. They both have 32 gigs of internal storage. Another thing that I hate with these phones is it uses up, I believe, like 13, almost 14 gigs of internal storage out the gate before even the Boost Mobile apps get preloaded on there. This is just the bloatware, the software, and the OS that gets loaded. Guys, about half of your memory is already gone, which pretty sucks. I usually don't see that with other phones, so that was kind of a shocker with it. The things I do like about the LG Stylo 4 Plus versus Stylo 4 is it does have fast charging. That's a big plus. The phone has a big 3,300 milliamp battery, guys. Trust me, I can tell the difference between quick charge or fast charge versus the I guess. It would take me, I would hate charging my Stylo 4. It would just took a while, especially if the phone was dead. And now if you had the fast charge, it basically charged really, really quick compared to the regular one. And it's called fast charge, right? For a reason. So definitely if you're going to get the Stylo 4, pick that one up. 3 gigs of RAM versus 2 gigs of RAM. Did I see much of a difference? Slightly. I wouldn't say, oh my god, the phone's buttery smooth. No, guys, it still had its hiccups. It still had a little bit of lag, but not as bad as the Stylo 4 with 2 gigs of RAM. 2 gigs of RAM is a no, guys, honestly. God, that thing used to lag. And like I said, other YouTubers, not just my personal opinion, other YouTubers would tell you the same thing, that, it lags. It's lag fest. It's not cool at all. The screen, another thing is the screen is pretty, it sucks unless you have the brightness pretty high up there. Unless you have 80% battery or 80% brightness on it, you can barely see it. Especially if you go outside. Indoors, yes, it has a 1080p display, guys. But, for example, my Moto E5 Plus has a 720 PHD, 720 HD screen or display, and I mean the colors are so nice and vibrant on it. It's just, and this is, watch this. This is right there, as you can see it, guys. It's very nice and vibrant. It looks so good to the eye. I don't know why, and it's like the brightness is not even all the way up. That's half right there. So you can make it even brighter, and this phone's a lot cheaper. And I know I compare these two phones a lot, but let's go back to what I was talking about. So 3 gigs of RAM definitely helps, but is it worth another $80? Probably not, honestly. Especially if you can get it at $130 at Walmart, it's not worth almost, God, what, another $100+, like $150 more dollars for another gig of RAM? No, definitely not. It is IP68, 67, I believe, IP68. It is basically water resistant, dust resistant. Personally, I don't care. I don't go near the water. I'm not in the pool or just near water. I really don't care. I mean, I have a Galaxy 9 Plus, and this one's definitely water resistant, but am I going to go jump into the pool with it or dump it, like Lil Wayne? No, I'm not, That's just crazy. I don't know. This personally, unless I put a life-proof case, maybe, but nah. Just by bare bone like that, nah. So quick charge definitely a plus. Another thing is, yes, guys, on both of these, the back of the phone are pretty cool. The Stylo 4 is basically like a carbon fiber look, while the Stylo 4 Plus has a Moroccan blue. I honestly like the Moroccan blue better. As you can see, I like blue, but it looks so nice, honestly. Now I know on the Stylo 4 Plus, if you don't put like a case on it, that thing scratches. That's another thing, is the back looks cool, but it's cheap looking plastic and it scratches. I mean, you can literally blow on the thing and probably catch a scratch, I had a case on it. I took off the case and I'm like, well, how did I get a scratch? Since I took it out of the box, I put it on a case. I don't know how I had little scuffs on there too. So I don't know. What's cool about the Stylo 4 Plus is it does come with a clear plastic on the back, and that definitely protected mine from scratches. So once I put it in the case, so that's why mine doesn't have any scratches. The camera does get bumped up from 13 megapixels up to 16 megapixels from the 4 to the 4 Plus. That's a plus. Did I see much improvement? Not really. I actually thought the regular Stylo 4's camera was pretty okay. 16 megapixels, yeah, it's probably better if you're zooming in, keeps a little bit more of the quality, but mad improvement, no. Also, the stability on the Stylo 4 looked a little bit better to me. But like I said, this is personal opinion. But at least, yes, it's getting another 3 more megapixels for the price bump. And the number one thing that still sucks with both of these models is, guys, the bottom firing speaker sucks. It's probably the worst speaker I've heard in a phone, honestly. I know I hate a lot on CTE and stuff, but I mean, their speakers are pretty loud. It's just on the Stylo. I mean, my Stylo 2 speaker is probably louder than this thing. Yes, it's bottom firing. So when I'm playing PUBG on it, I mean, you cover it with your palm. That's how I hold my phone, I hold it like this when I'm gaming. And I mean, it was covering it constantly. I hated that. It sounded muffled. I mean, literally, I was trying to watch a YouTube video, and I had it on full blast, and still, I couldn't barely hear the thing if you have background noise. Now, if you're in a room like this where it's not, there's not much noise going around, yeah, it's going to sound okay. But if you're in a very loud room, yeah, no, you better put some headphones. And that's why it does have that surround sound thing with headphones. Did I hear much of a difference? Not really. I mean, yeah, you do hear a little bit, especially when you change the equalizer and all that stuff. So that's what it is. That was my biggest gripe with that, is basically the display kind of sucked on it unless you have brightness really up, and the speaker's definitely trash. Get a Bluetooth speaker or headphones. You will need that, guys. So my honest opinion is, out of all the phones I've tested out 3 Stylos, guys. The unlocked variant, the LG Stylo 4 from Boost Mobile, and the LG Stylo 4 Plus from Boost Mobile. Out of all of them, if you're going to spend money and you're just mindset on getting a Stylo, probably get the unlocked version. Yeah, it's $300 at Best Buy, guys. But look at it. The Stylo 4 Plus is $280, so $20 more, and you get a fully unlocked phone, universally unlocked, CDMA and GSM here in the United States, so you can use it with any carrier, postpaid and prepaid. That's why I love that phone. If you don't like Boost, no problem. You don't have to wait a whole year to unlock it, or 6 months with other carriers or anything like that. pop the SIM card, go to another carrier, pop it in, boom, it starts working. That's why I love that phone. Also, it has a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, Snapdragon 450 on the unlocked version, wireless charging, fast charging, and all that cool stuff. So it does have 13 megapixel camera, but honestly, for being universally unlocked and having that fast charger and just all that stuff is a go with me. If your mindset, if you're on a tight budget, definitely look at the Stylo 4 from Walmart at $130. If not, guys, this is definitely a buy. I know I keep comparing it, but the Moto E5 Plus, probably the best budget phone on the market. I do have a comparison video between this and the Stylo 4 Plus, description below. Check that out. So yeah, guys, this one's $150 right now with the Labor Day sale going on. I think it's like Labor Day 20 or something like that. If not, you can check the video out. You can get this for $120. At $120, hands down, pick it up, guys. But like I said, there's some people that are loyal to the Stylo brand like I am. I had the Stylo 2 and I kept that phone. Honestly, get the unlocked version. If not, if you can't afford it, then like I said, get the regular Stylo 4, but from Walmart, not from Boost Mobile, because $200 is a steal, guys. And by that, I don't mean a good deal. I mean like they're robbing you. So yeah, guys, those are my personal opinions on it. Hopefully you liked it. You know, if you didn't like it, let me know why. But like I said, there are other phones out there. Even the J7 Refine is a really good phone. If you can find for $150, which sometimes you can, that's definitely a good buy over the Stylo 4. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. You can donate to my channel via PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. I do have affiliate links with them, so they do give me a little change if you do sign up. They offer true limited AT&T Hotspot for $60 a month, but if you use my link and promo code at checkout, Sanchez45973, you can save $10. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare signing off.